right, so today I am unboxing my new boots. These are from Origin. They're made in Maine, in the United States. You probably can't read what's up here, so I'll read it to you. It says, gear with a soul, rooted in heritage, crafted with pride. Durable goods that work day after day. A new wave of American reshoring. Built to work, made for life. Let's take a look at the rest of the box. All right, you can probably see this a little better. So this says, Mainers have been making footwear for over 200 years in New England factories. Our parents and grandparents toiled day and night, tanning hides, stamping brass, and stitching boots. It was all stripped away, the machinery, the jobs, and the pride of our community. But knowledge can't be taken. And it lived on in the people who were left behind. It was time for change, so we took back the machines, we resurrected the jobs, and we discovered our pride once again. With calloused hands and old world craftsmanship, we built these boots for you. The soul of a community lives on in every pair. It says again, built to work, made for life. Not bad. Let's see what else. On this side, we have leather and brass made by American hands, farmers, factory workers, craftsmen. They made this country, and they also made these boots. The origin of American craftsmanship lives on in every pair. Built to work, made for life. All right, let's open it. Okay. Nice. A little bit of the Constitution there. It looks like we got a sticker here for Origin. Awesome. Now, here we go. Now we got my brand new boots. Awesome. Oh, yeah, you got a little Origin in there. Nice. Let's get out the other one. Excellent. Excellent. These look great. All right, can't wait to get these on. Made in Maine.